Time travel is a hypothetical theory which is not been practically proved. Sir Einstein said that any object having comparatively more mass than the photon particle cannot travel at the speed of the light. If we try to travel at the light speed or nearby speed, then we require more amount of energy, that is of energy of 10 to 30 galaxies, which is highly impossible for our present technology. Here, Einstein's general theory of relativity is explained based on celestial level of physics. So, Einstein's theory couldn't explain about the quantum physics. So, in today's episode, we try to open up all the mysteries of time travel according to the string theory or M theory. Now, you may get a question: what is a string? A string is the smallest one-dimensional fundamental particle of our universe. All the things around the universe occur only due to the vibration of these strings. In an atom, there are positively and negatively charged particles. Could you think, how does positively charged particles form differently to negatively charged particles? What is the reason that a proton or positively charged particle's properties are entirely different from electrons or negatively charged particles? If you know the answer, please comment below in the comment box. Now I think you have commented. Okay, now I will say the answer. The properties of positively charged particles differ from negatively charged particles due to the vibration of strings. Now, for example, you can think your behavior with your very closest friend, where you will be behaving happily and friendly, and your behavior with your enemies will be opposite to it, and you will not behave so close. So like the same case, here the strings vibrates different for protons and strings vibrates different for electrons. These strings cannot be seen even through microscope, because we know that a light falls on an object and reflects back to our eyes to make it visible. Thus, the string's wavelength is smaller than the photon particle of the light. It is impossible to prove it practically. So, string is not yet been practically proved, but there are some mathematical evidence for existence of strings. The vibration of strings make graviton particles, which produce gravitation force at quantum level called electrostatic force. The string describes about the 11 dimensions of the universe. It is said that during Big Bang, there were three forces existing called electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force. Now, if we see Einstein's general theory of relativity, which states that no object can travel faster than the light speed unless their mass is lesser than when compared to photonic particles, which is highly impossible for even our next coming generations after two. But in string theory, there is a support to time travel. String theory explains about tachyons, which can travel faster than the speed of light even at infinite mass. A tachyon is a hypothetical particle which is not yet been proved. This changes our imagination into a reality in few years. Until, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, select all, so that you will receive all the new notifications of our more interesting and curiosity filled videos.